Cambodian Human Rights Committee, date 12 November 2025, to His Excellency Mr. Volker Turk, United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights, Office of the United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights, Palladius Nations, CH 1211, Geneva 10, Switzerland. Subject: Urgent appeal concerning the shooting and injuring of Cambodian civilians by the Royal Thai Armed Forces within Cambodian territory. Excellency, the Cambodian Human Rights Committee, CHRC, presents its compliments to the Office of the United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights, OHCHR, and has the honor to bring to its urgent attention another grave and serious violation of human rights involving the shooting and injuring of Cambodian civilians along the Cambodia-Thai border by the Royal Thai Armed Forces. On 12 November 2025, the CHRC received credible reports from local authority and affected communities in Prachan Village, Obachuan Commune, Ochra District, Banteay Meanchey Province, Cambodia, indicating that the Royal Thai Armed Forces carried out an unprovoked attack on an unarmed and innocent Cambodian civilian within Cambodian territory. Based on preliminary reports, the attack resulted in at least one civilian death and serious injury to 3 other innocent Cambodian civilians. This tragic incident occurred subsequent to the signing of the joint declaration by the Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Cambodia and the Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Thailand on outcomes of their meeting held in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia on 26 October 2025, witnessed by His Excellency Donald J. Trump, President of the United States of America, and His Excellency Anwar Ibrahim, Prime Minister of Malaysia. The joint declaration reaffirmed both states' commitment to peace, stability, and the protection of the civilian along the shared border. The recurrence of such violent acts gravely undermines the spirit and obligations of the joint declaration and violates fundamental principles of international human rights and humanitarian law. The act described constitutes serious breaches of international law, including but not limited to 1. The Charter of the United Nations, 2. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights, UDHR, 3. The International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, ICCPR, 4. The International Covenant on Economic, Social, and Cultural Rights, ICESCR, 5. The Convention Against Torture and Other Cruel, Inhuman, or Degrading Treatment or Punishment, CAT. Moreover, 18 Cambodian soldiers continue to be in Thai military custody despite the signing of the joint declaration on 26 October 2025. The joint declaration specifically stated that, as a demonstration of Thailand's desire to promote mutual confidence and trust, Thailand undertakes to promptly release the prisoners of war. As of 12 November 2025, 106 days has elapsed since their capture. The CHRC remained gravely concerned that the continuing detention constitutes a various violation of international human rights and humanitarian law, including the prohibition of arbitrary detention under core international human rights treaties. In light of this grave violation, the Cambodian Human Rights Committee respectfully requests the Office of the United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights to urgently 1. Urge Thai authority to cease all hostile action and ensure full respect for the safety and security of Cambodian civilians along the border. 2. Engage with the Royal Thai government to ensure an independent, impartial, and transparent investigation into the incident and to ensure criminal accountability for many individuals responsible for authorizing or executing this unlawful act. 3. Urge Thai authority to provide immediate medical care, reparation, and compensation to the victims and their families. 4. Urge the Thai royal government to strengthen preventive and confidence-building mechanisms and to fully implement the Kuala Lumpur Peace Accord. 5. Consider raising this matter before the UN Human Rights Council or the relevant special procedure to ensure accountability and non-recurrence. 6. Consider dispatching a fact-finding mission to the affected area to directly assess the human rights situation and prevent recurrence. 7. Urge the Royal Thai government to ensure the immediate unconditional release and repatriation of the Cambodian soldiers. Cambodia remains steadfast in its commitment to upholding human dignity, sovereignty, and peace in accordance with international law. However, persistent acts of aggression and harassment against civilians cannot and will not be tolerated. The continued violations of this nature gravely threaten regional stability and the credibility of the international peace framework. Cambodia trusts that the United Nations, through the OHCHR, will take swift and concrete action to prevent further violation and uphold the universal principle of justice and human dignity. The Cambodian Human Rights Committee stands ready to cooperate fully with Your Excellency and the Office of the High Commissioner in addressing this grave matter and in ensuring the protection of the human rights of all civilians residing along the Cambodia-Thailand border. Please accept, Excellency, the assurances of our highest consideration. Sincerely yours, Gavrimi, President Cambodian Human Rights Committee, CHRC, Phnom Penh, Cambodia.